high protein, very simple, very easy. As you guys could see, it takes probably less than 15 minutes in total time. What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. If this is your first time and you guys want to know how to make easy, fast, and cheap plant-based meals, click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 2 high-protein recipes that are very easy. Anyone can follow along, even a beginner cook. I still think I'm a beginner cook, so anyone can follow along. Let's get into the kitchen. All right, guys, check it out. So for these burritos here, I got some white rice that's already cooked. I got some homemade ranch that I just made that has tahini, mustard, lemon, salt, garlic powder, and a little bit of dill in it. And I just mixed it all up to get that consistency. I did add a little bit of soy milk to thin it out. And yeah, this stuff's really good. I already tried it with the spoon that I was mixing it with, and it is delicious. And right here, of course, I got some red onions, some beautiful red onions that are very healthy for you. I'm gonna keep them raw for the burrito. I got some tofu here that I'm getting ready to air fry. And then I got this cheese right here. It's the chow cheese. This is it. It's the tomato cayenne, and it's really good. And I find that this is one of the cleaner ones in terms of the ingredients. I know it's not super clean, but compared to all the other ones, it is pretty clean. So I'm gonna put these on after along with the onions. So these will be the only things that do not get cooked. Also the rice, since it's already pre-cooked. And all we gotta do is air fry this tofu. So let's show you guys that right now. I got the tofu, as you guys can see, about to put it in the air fryer. Also got some whole grain tortillas here that I just got heating up on the cast iron pan. And I just turned it off because they got a little too hot, so I'm just gonna let them sit here on the warm pan, and those will be what we use to wrap up these burritos. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start with laying some of this ranch down on here, and then I'm gonna sprinkle some of these onions, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this cheese on here as well. Now we just need the rice. All right, guys, check out this tofu. Too hungry to wait, took it out about 4 minutes, so it sat in there for about 6 minutes. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt and some black pepper on there, and then we are ready to plate this. All right, time to start adding the tofu now. And then of course, we'll just top it off with some hot sauce. So as you guys can see, it's what it looks like. Can't wait to dig in. About to take a big bite. Let me show you guys this. It's all falling out of here, but. So first bite impressions, what I'm really liking was the sweetness from the onions, the crispiness of the tofu, only air fried for 6 minutes at 370. The air fryers are king. And the ranch. The ranch tastes really good in the combination. When I tried it, it was good, but with this combination, it's even better. Wow, now I'm getting to that cheese. This whole combination, all the flavors in here are perfect. Only thing I would say is make more ranch than I did. It needs more ranch, because that ranch is too good to not have a lot of it on here. So I should have made more. I haven't got my ranch recipe down yet. I'm always winging it, and I've yet to try ranch with cashews. I need to do that. I keep doing it with tahini because it's easy. Tahini and soy milk, a little bit of mustard, gives it that color, and then you put the dill in there, a little garlic powder and some salt, a little lemon, goes a long way. All right, guys, check it out. This is what I got from Whole Foods. Just got back right now, did a little haul. The only reason these are open is because they're kind of fogged up. So I wanted you to be able to see the vegan donuts, but let's move those aside and move on to this, something I've never tried. No Evil Chorizo. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand, seen it all over the Instagram. Ingredients are right there, if you guys can see that. And there's the focus. As you can see, ingredients looking right. Protein looking good. Can't wait to make something special with this. Puffed millet here. Never tried these. I used to get the puffed kamut, but I got the puffed millet. Real clean, 1 ingredient, puffed whole millet. 2 grams of protein per serving. Sticky rice chips, sriracha spice flavor. Super good. Ingredients aren't too bad either. I know it's got the palm fruit oil, but it actually says responsibly sourced palm fruit oil, so that's a good sign right there. Put those to the side. Another snack that I also opened. I know I'm a bad man, but I had to try these. They were on sale. Still expensive at $3.99, but crispy dark chocolate peanut butter cups. No need to look at those ingredients because we know they're not going to be great, but this is a snack right here. Nice little sweet treat. And they all fell out. These were $1 each. 6-pack of the teriyaki premium roasted seaweed. And then this guy, never seen this right here. Amy's vegan meatless pepperoni. I've yet to see this one at the places I shop at. And like I said, I don't shop at Whole Foods a lot. No need to look at those ingredients because we know they're not great. The sodium is really high on those, but it's all right. We don't have this very often, so really excited to try this. And then I got the VO Life cheddar shreds right here. These are really good. I've had the slices before. I'm sure that the shreds will be just as good. I'm gonna be making some good stuff with this. Won't say what it is just yet. And of course, got some tortillas right here. Pretty clean tortillas compared to the regular ones that you get in the stores. So yes, this is my Whole Foods haul. I'm gonna be making a chorizo cheddar cheese quesadilla. I got the VO Life cheddar right here, which is like the best cheese that I found. And then I've never tried this. No Evil Foods chorizo. Here's what the chorizo looks like. I didn't think it was like this. I didn't open it in the store. So I'm gonna cut this open. Probably use, I think, half of it. It says it's 4 servings, but I can't imagine only using this much. It just seems like too little. So I'm gonna do about half of it, and then we're gonna cook that up in the cast iron pan. Wow. So we're just gonna get it to like a ground beef consistency, as you can see here. And then mixing this up with the VO Life cheddar shreds, oh, it's gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off the heat now and get ready to put it on the quesadilla. All right, so now we wanna get this pan nice and hot. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of avocado oil on here so we can get that nice crisp on the tortilla when we make the quesadilla. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my chorizo on here. And then just try to evenly spread it out, but not too close to the edges because you don't want it to fall out. And I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle this cheese right over it. Go ahead and just give it a nice little fold. Press down on these edges. So now we'll just let this cook until we get that brown golden crust on the bottom, and then we'll flip it. All right, guys, I need all the help I can get to flip this bad boy. Let's go. Oof. Wow. Look at that. And now we really want to press these sides down to make sure that this thing closes. So I got some cheese leaking out over here. Pan's not big enough, so I had to move it a little bit to get this edge to crisp up. I'm gonna do it to the other edge as well right now. Just do a little spin around. So it looks like the cheese isn't visible in there, but it's there, I swear. This is fire. If you guys haven't tried the No Evil Foods chorizo, I definitely recommend it. But I saw the cheddar shreds and I saw the chorizo and I was like, I'm gonna make a quesadilla. And that's exactly what I did. So No Evil Foods chorizo, A+. First time trying it, really good. VO Life cheddar shreds, not the first time I tried it, but always really good. I still got a whole nother half left, but I won't bore you with that. So we'll see you guys here in a little bit. All right, guys, just wanted to touch bases since I finished those meals. I hope you guys did enjoy those 2 meals that I made. High protein, very simple, very easy. As you guys could see, it takes probably less than 15 minutes in total time. And like I said, guys, being vegan does not have to be a challenge. All it takes is a little bit of time, a little extra time. That's pretty much it. And that's just to educate yourself on what you're buying, what products and everything. And after that, it's the same prep time, same cook time as if you're gonna be making non-vegan food. So it's very simple. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. If you guys are gonna make this recipe, please let me know on Instagram. Or if you guys make a different kind of version of it or anything like that, do your thing, tag me in it. I would love to see it. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Deuce.